Hello, dear friends. Adding a personal touch to your living room can make it feel more cozy and welcoming. One way to achieve this is by creating your own handmade DIY cushions. It's an easy and inexpensive way to update your living space while adding a unique touch that reflects your personal style. To start, you will need to choose a fabric for your cushion. Look for a fabric that complements the existing colors and pattern in your living room. You can also choose a fabric that stands out and create a statement piece. Once you have your fabric, you will need to measure and cut it to the size of your cushion insert. Next, it's time to sew your cushion cover. You can either use a sewing machine or sew it by hand. If you are using a sewing machine, simply fold the fabric in half with the right side facing each other and sew along the edges, leaving one side open to insert the cushion. If you are sewing by hand, use a needle and thread to sew the edges together, again leaving on one side open. Once your cushion cover is complete, it's time to insert your cushion. You can either use a pre-made cushion insert or make your own using batting or stuffing. Simply insert the cushion into the cover and sew the final edge closed. To add a personal touch, you can also embellish your cushion with additional details. This could include adding a decorative trim, sewing on buttons or applique, or even adding a monogram or embroidery design. In conclusion, creating your own handmade DIY cushion is an easy and fun way to add a personal touch to your living room. It's a budget friendly option that allows you to express your creativity and showcase your style. With a little bit of time and effort, you can create a unique and beautiful cushion that will enhance the look and feel of your living space. So, dear friend, if you want to enhance your living room, you can create cushion by your hand also, and you can give it a personalized touch by adding or creating a different type of cushion by using embellishment and different items to decorate it. So if you like our ideas, click the like button and subscribe our channel.